What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for the ultimate graphics card to completely transform your desktop PC and take your setup to a level you never thought possible, you are going to want to sit down, grab a snack, and listen up. Today, we are taking a massive, incredibly detailed look at an absolute powerhouse of a component. I am talking about the highly anticipated Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4080 Gaming OC 16G graphics card. If you are tired of compromising on your in-game settings, if you're sick of frame drops right in the middle of a crucial boss fight, or if you're a content creator watching the progress bar on your video renders crawl at a snail's pace, this video is made exactly for you. Before we dive deep into the incredibly impressive specs of this beast, I want to let you know that I have placed a link right down in the video description below. If at any point you feel like this is the exact upgrade your desktop needs, you can click that link to check the current pricing, see availability, and pick one up for yourself on Amazon. It is the best way to support the channel, and it ensures you are getting the right product. Now, let us talk about what makes the GVN 4080 Gaming OC 16GD such a monumental leap forward in PC hardware. At its core, this is a graphics coprocessor powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 chip, which is built on the revolutionary ultra-efficient Ada Lovelace architecture. But Gigabyte did not just take the standard NVIDIA chip and put it in a box. They gave it the Gaming OC treatment, which means this card is factory overclocked right out of the box to deliver performance that pushes past the Founders Edition. We are talking about an absolutely screaming GPU clock speed of 2535 MHz. To put that into perspective, a clock speed that high means the silicon is processing millions of instructions at blistering speeds, ensuring that whether you are exploring dense ray-traced jungles or engaging in hyper-fast competitive shooters, your frame rates remain incredibly high and brilliantly stable. You do not have to mess around with complicated overclocking software if you don't want to. Gigabyte has done the hard work for you, guaranteeing top-tier performance the second you install it into your motherboard. But a fast GPU processor means nothing if it doesn't have the memory to back it up, and this is where this card truly shines. This specific model comes loaded with a massive 16 gigabytes of graphics RAM, and this is not just any standard memory. This is ultra-fast GDDR6X graphics RAM type. Operating on a wide 256-bit bus interface, this memory configuration is designed to handle the heaviest, most demanding visual workloads modern gaming can throw at it. Think about the newest AAA games releasing today. They feature uncompressed 4K textures, massive open worlds, and incredibly complex geometry. If your graphics card runs out of VRAM, your game will stutter, textures will fail to load, and your experience will be ruined. With 16 gigabytes of GDDR6X, you have an enormous buffer. Add to that a mind-bending memory clock speed of 21,000 MHz, and you have a memory bandwidth that allows data to travel between the GPU and the VRAM almost instantaneously. This means you can finally crank every single slider in your game's settings menu all the way to Ultra, turn on full ray tracing, and simply enjoy the breathtaking visuals without a single worry about memory bottlenecks. Of course, generating all those beautiful frames creates a significant amount of heat. If a graphics card gets too hot, it will thermal throttle, meaning it will automatically slow down its clock speeds to protect itself, which instantly kills your in-game frame rate. To combat this, Gigabyte has equipped this card with their legendary 3x WINDFORCE cooling system. When you look at the physical card, you will immediately notice the massive number of fans, specifically 3 massive cooling fans dominating the front of the shroud. But the genius here lies in how they operate. Gigabyte uses what they call alternate spinning technology. The middle fan physically rotates in the opposite direction compared to the 2 outer fans. This might sound like a minor detail, but it drastically reduces the turbulence of the airflow between the fans and significantly increases the static pressure pushing cold air directly through the massive heatsink. Behind those fans lies a gigantic vapor chamber and a complex array of composite copper heat pipes that make direct contact with the GPU core and the memory modules. This incredibly efficient heat transfer system means that even when you are gaming at 4K resolution for 6 hours straight, the Gigabyte RTX 4080 Gaming OC stays remarkably cool and surprisingly quiet. You will not have to put up with a computer that sounds like a jet engine taking off in your room. Let us shift our focus to connectivity and what you can actually do with all this power. When you look at the back of the card, you will find a highly versatile video output interface. It is equipped with multiple DisplayPort connections and HDMI ports, giving you the flexibility to connect to the highest-end gaming monitors or even large OLED televisions. Speaking of displays, this graphics card supports a staggering display resolution maximum of 7680 by 4320. For those keeping track, that is 8K resolution. While the vast majority of us are still gaming at 1440p or 4K, knowing that this card has the sheer bandwidth to output an 8K signal proves just how incredibly future-proof it is. If it can handle the theoretical demands of 8K, you can rest assured that it will absolutely obliterate anything you throw at it in 4K. It is designed specifically for compatible devices like high-end desktop gaming PCs and connects seamlessly through the standard PCI Express graphics card interface. Just a quick tip for anyone looking to buy this. Because of the massive cooler required to keep this powerful chip chilly, this card is quite large. You will want to double-check your desktop PC case dimensions to ensure you have enough clearance, and make sure you have a robust power supply ready to deliver clean, reliable power to this beast. Beyond the raw hardware specifications, buying an RTX 4080 means you are gaining access to incredible software features, most notably DLSS 3 and frame generation. This technology is practically magic. By utilizing dedicated AI tensor cores on the graphics card, DLSS 3 can analyze consecutive frames and completely generate brand new frames in between them. This can literally double or triple your frame rate in supported games without heavily impacting image quality. It allows you to experience full path-traced lighting, where every shadow, reflection, and light bounce is physically accurate, while still maintaining buttery smooth frame rates well above 60 or even 100 frames per second at 4K. To wrap this all up, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4080 Gaming OC 16G is not just a graphics card, it is a statement piece for your desktop. It represents the pinnacle of current generation gaming technology. With its blazing fast 2535 MHz clock speed, the massive 16 GB of GDDR6X VRAM, and the whisper-quiet, ice-cold WINDFORCE 3X cooling system, it provides an uncompromising experience for hardcore gamers, 3D artists, and professional streamers alike. It is a premium product that delivers premium results. If you are ready to finally experience your favorite games exactly the way the developers intended, with every setting maxed out and zero lag, do yourself a favor and click the Amazon link in the description below. Check out the reviews, look at the current price, and consider making this the crown jewel of your PC setup. Thank you all so much for hanging out and watching this incredibly deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more unscripted and honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what game would you play first if you had an RTX 4080 in your system? I will catch you all in the next video.